what exactly it is actually. Just not computer alone. Are there other things that cybersecurity?
Name's Kenneth. This was the project I made today. It's a face recognizer just like on the smartphone. When you unlock with your face, it recognize you. And when it sees me, it will say my name, Kenneth. Kenneth. That's how it works. Yeah. Yeah, it's not. Oh, you messed up. No, you did. Oh, now you're gonna mess up this. Now I'm gonna mess up.
Oh no, please don't mess up. Oh.